Dear friends and family, most welcome to my today's video. How are you? I hope and believe all of you are well. I am also fine. Today I am here with you with some common words with some correct pronunciation like the native speaker. Actually আমরা যে ওয়ার্ডগুলো বলে থাকি সচরাচর যে ওয়ার্ডগুলো ইউজ করে থাকি সেগুলো কতটুকু নেটিভ স্পিকারদের মতো হচ্ছে সেগুলো জাস্ট শুনে শুনে আর ইমিটেট করে আর কপিং করে or repeat করে আমরা জাস্ট শিখতে চাচ্ছি just repeat after me or imitate me or the copying me. Okay, so my first word is we say listening. Actually the real pronunciation is listening. We uttered or we say listening, but the correct one is listening. Listening, yes, listening, yes. Number 2, we pronounce nature, but the real one is nature. Nature. Just repeat after me or imitates me or copying me, right? Nature. Nature, not nature. Yes. Then we say successful or success, but the real one is success. Successful. He's a successful man. Yes, success, not successful. Success. Yes, success. Success. We pronounce or we uttered what, which, but the real one is what, not what. Oh, what, or which, not which. Which. What. When, not when. When. Yes, just repeat after me or imitates me. Okay, just copying me. We pronounce important, but the real pronunciation is important, important, not important, important. Yes, important. We pronounce after, but the real one is after, not after, after. Yes, after. We pronounce car, cap, but the real one is car, cat, cap, car. Yes. We say or the pronouns noun, but the real one is noun. Yes, noun. We pronounce international, not international. This is international. International. Yes, international. We pronounce 21 or 83, but the real one is 21, 83, 21, 83, not 83, not 21, but 83, 21, 83. Yes. We pronounce Saturday, but the real one is Saturday, not Saturday. Yes. We pronounce all, but the real one is all. We pronounce all the time, but the real one is all the time. Yes, just repeat after me. Okay, listening, nature, successful, success, what, which, when, after, cat, cap, car, international, 21, 83, all the time, Saturday, all the time. So I hope and believe all of you will practice more and more. Just imitate or repeat after me. Okay, so thank you very much. See you again.